Ciao! Did you know there was a venomous species of cuttlefish? Have you ever wondered how cephalopods camouflage? If that's the case, join me in this journey to discover the magical world of the Metasepia pfefferi. But where does this species live? Its natural habitat is the Arafura Sea, which is between Australia and Papua New Guinea. This cephalopod species belongs to the Cepidae family, with a maximum size of 8 cm and a lifespan of up to 2 years. It has a pretty different way of swimming, since it uses its lower arms to walk along the seafloor. But what's with the fancy colors? With its dark brown, yellow, and purple coloration, presents a case of aposematism, warning its predators about its lethal tetrodotoxin, which, for the record, grants it the title of the only venomous cuttlefish. This sepia hunting technique for predating little fish and crustaceans is divided into two steps. First, aiming and extending its tentacles, and then striking at its prey. Although Metasepia pfefferi has such powerful hidden weapons, when the time to avoid predators comes, it relies on its camouflaging abilities, which, by the way, turns out to work just fine as in the mating process. But how exactly does this work? Their skin contains chromatophores, pigment cells that can be manipulated to change body colors in fascinating ways and patterns. Chromatophores are elastic cells, which contain pigment granules. They can camouflage themselves against almost any background, from colorful coral reefs to mud plains. This extraordinary ability is based on a sophisticated skin and visual system capable of assessing complex visual scenes and producing a response visible on their mantle. Besides, it doesn't just match the overall pattern and color, but it is also capable of reproducing the 3D texture of the substrate the animal is covering. This is possible thanks to skin papillae, a hydrostatic system composed of the dermal bands, whose control system is still unknown. Just like human facial signs, Metasepia pfefferi can mix their body patterns and modulate the strengths of the behavioral components separately. This allows it to express a vast range of patterns for a given environment. All of this is possible by coordinating the expression of about 40 of these chromatic components, which are of 4 kinds: chromatic components which control coloration pattern, textural components which define skin texture, postural components, and locomotor components. There's also a distinctive pattern shown by this animal that the scientists call weak zebra stripe, which is believed to have a primarily sexual display role. Although there's a lot of more research to be carried out, we can still see that Metasepia pfefferi is a fascinating and strange animal. We hope we drew your attention to this curious cephalopod and its astonishing features. Thank you all for your attention. Ciao!